To change the device priorities at your Myenergi product, we need to go into the advanced menu. So that's menu, down to other settings, down to advanced. Through the passcode, they're all zeros by default, unless you have changed it. This is where you enter the password here. Then we're going to go into linked devices. Devices, you'll see a list here of all your devices that are currently paired to your product. You will see numbers to the left hand side that would designate the device priority. Scroll to the device that you want to change, and you can use your arrow keys now to change the priority. Once that's saved, just press the menu button back, your 3 lines button, and you'll be able to see that device priority has changed. If you want to change any others, just scroll down to which one you want to change and repeat the process again.